Heaven at Kerr Lake 4-bedroom/3.5 bath home offers open floor plan, allows you to enjoy the fantastic Kerr Lake views from almost every room. Hickory Hardwood in main areas and the kitchen, updated quartz counters and recent appliances, is open to dining and work areas. Covered porch runs the length of the home lakeside and includes a screen room perfect for al fresco dining. Great room is 2 stories high west gas fireplace. First level Lakeside Master Suite includes a jetted tub and walk-in shower. Bonus room over garage,